During this video we'll take a look at zip code and postal code lookup for Control 5.5. This is a new feature that we've added. For those of you that may be using our Avalara tax module and having that integration inside of Control, you're probably already familiar with basically how this works, where you type in an address and that address goes and gets looked up and gets formatted into a proper one and validated. This is actually a feature in whereby you enter in the zip code or the postal code, depending on what you like to call it, and it will automatically go and look up the city, state, province, as well as country code for the US, Canada, and Australia. If you're using any other countries or what have you, we do not have support for that currently. If you're interested in us adding support, please let us know. Just email our support staff. Let's take a look at this feature inside of Control. Alright, now that I have Control open, I'm just going to go to New, and then we're going to go to Company. And we'll see once I'm in here, in the address section, I actually have value to look up. And if I type any valid postal code in here, like 70816 for instance, which is Baton Rouge, and I tab out of the field, we'll see that it actually has sent a request off to our service that we maintain, along with all the postal codes and city, states, and zips and so forth. And we've looked up and actually have that information in there. There are configuration options if you do not like the automatic lookup and you want to turn that off. If we come to Setup and System Setup, we'll come on down under Miscellaneous. You'll see Address Options. We'll go ahead and click on that, and over on the right hand side, if I hit Edit, I can actually uncheck this. And as long as I hit Save, I'll no longer have that value to look up, and we'll just verify that by doing another new company, and we'll see the zip code is now back in its prior place, and there is no value lookup to actually insert. So you're going to have to manually type it in if you disable it. That same value lookup, if you have it enabled, will appear in all the different areas where you can actually enter in addresses in Control. So shipments on orders and estimates and things along those lines will all have that feature available. Okay, and that concludes our review of postal code lookup. Thank you.